How to turn off the Chrome notifications. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the Chrome notification setting. You can turn off the any notification for particular website, or you can turn off the notification from all sites on Chrome. So in this video tutorial we're going to talk about, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. Okay, so here I'm on my Chrome. So this is, I'm going to show you in my window, but this is the same process for all device if you're using the iOS phone or Android phone. So you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video, guys. First we need to check whether our computer Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome here, and you can see in my case my Chrome is up to date. If you're not, then it will be start automatically updating, and after update you will see here option that relaunch so just relaunch it. After relaunch, open again, go to the three dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting you can see that at your left sidebar we need to go in privacy and security option here. Just scroll down and go to the site settings. Under the site setting we need to check under the permission option for notification. Just click on notifications. So guys, if you are getting any notification from particular website, or if you are getting the unwanted unnecessary notifications from Chrome browser, you can get right on these on notification by setting up. Okay, so there is a three type of setting in the notification, which is you can allow the some notification for, okay, you can allow for all notification, you can allow some notification, but or you can disallow all notification from all site. Okay, and here you can see the under the customized behavior option, you can add some site to don't allow the notification. Okay, you can customize some site here. Okay, if you allow all notification from all website like this, if you select this, then you can also disallow some particular website to don't send the notification. So even you have allows all website to send notification, but also you can customize to don't send, not allowed to send notification for particular website. Okay, same as I just delete it. If you select to disallow or turn off all notification from all website, you can also allow here particular website or some website here to send the website notification. So this is all settings about notification. Okay, so if you want to turn off, just click on this turn off for notification. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.